Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Builder Gel for designs. Start with a clean canvas. Proper nail preparation is crucial for any long-lasting design. After cleaning and shaping, apply a dehydrator to remove oils, followed by a non-acid primer for strong adhesion. Then, brush on a very thin layer of your favorite base coat, ensuring it doesn't touch your skin. Cure this layer for 60 seconds under an LED lamp or 2 minutes under a UV lamp. This foundation sets the stage for beautiful Builder Gel art. Now let's apply the Builder Gel. First, brush a thin slip layer over the entire nail. Then, pick up a small bead of Builder Gel and place it near the cuticle area, gently floating it down towards the free edge. Use your brush to create the desired apex and shape, ensuring even coverage. Once you're happy with the structure, cure it for 60 seconds in an LED lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. This step creates strength and a smooth surface. Get creative with your designs. You can use colored Builder Gels or gel polishes to paint intricate patterns directly onto the cured Builder Gel layer. Fine brushes and dotting tools are perfect for adding tiny details or delicate lines. For a unique look, try encapsulating glitter, small foils, or even tiny dried flowers within a clear Builder Gel layer. Remember to cure each design element for 30 to 60 seconds before moving on to the next, building your art layer by layer. Almost done. After your final design layer is cured, cleanse the tacky inhibition layer with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now, gently file and buff the nail to refine its shape and smooth out any imperfections. Finish with a generous layer of a no-wipe top coat, ensuring it covers all your beautiful artwork. Cure this final layer for 60 seconds under an LED lamp or 2 minutes under a UV lamp for a durable, high-shine finish that will last for weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.